Hey folks, okay, so I'm going to give you guys some ideas of how to build a chicken coop with not a whole lot of money. I just did it from scrap pieces laying around, and me and my grandson did some artwork on it, make it look pretty nice. But this is something my buddy gave me. I'm going to incorporate it in there somehow for the smaller ones when they hatch out some eggs. But this is like a 10 by 12 chicken coop. Nothing to it really. I usually put plants around the bottom of it, keep the critters out. One piece of tin on this side, some hardware cloth. Whole thing I probably got about 200 bucks in it. Some old tin I had laying around. I just decorated it up and painted some stuff on there. But anybody looking for ideas, this is a pretty good idea. I built it up against our barn, so I only had to build 3 sides. The chickens love it. My grandson loved helping me paint it. So, I'll show you the inside. But I used some old bee boxes that I had for nesting boxes. The mistake I made is the nesting boxes should be lower than the roost itself. The roost needs to be the highest point, otherwise they'll want to poop in their little boxes there. But no great big deal. I keep it open, simple, easy to clean. Feed bin for the water, but just to give you guys an idea, if you got a structure you can build one up against, that helps with the cost. 3 sides. But I see people looking for ideas sometimes on how to build their coops, so that's what I come up with. Figured I would share it with everybody. Simple little door on the outside, lock. Me and my grandson painted some more on it. Really nothing to it. It's an old horse for decorations, but put the tin up against it so that nothing can get to them. And then some spiky plants in front of it every once in a while to keep out the predators. But this is my chicken coop. Like I said, it's about a 10 by 12. Hope it helps.